little Kenny Chesney and a little setup of the puppies indoor pen. Lots of things for them to play with when they really get up and move around. And we're very happy that they have ruled that you shouldn't use bumper pads in babies' cribs anymore, because we sure do like the bumper pads in the puppies' pen. That way they can't get their little heads or paws out and get them stuck in the side of the crate. So, who you looking there? Lexi? Were you licking Snooky? Were you cleaning her up? Now you've got your little boy. Nope, you got Coco. Now you're licking Coco. You clean Coco's hitting you. Says, "No, Mama, stop that, Mama." And Snooky back in there getting a little more to eat. Coco trying. Just changed the bed over today. Cleaned out your pen. Got all clean bedding in there. We do it every 2 days. For right now. Once the puppies are older, we'll do it every day. But while Lexi's cleaning them up and taking care of them, only needs to be done every other day. But then we'll start washing bedding and blankies and toys and all this stuff. We've got a little mobile that plays Bach and Beethoven, that the puppies like to sleep to at night. Yeah, they're all sleeping. They've eaten. They got the full bellies. There's Mary Jane over there with her head up in the corner. Here's our white and tan. Here's our little two boys, our black boy. We're waiting on a name, and there's Shore. And then we've got Coco and Snooky eating again. You guys are going to be little chunk balls if you don't slow down. What do you think, Lexi? Hey, Duty Pie. Look at Mama Dudes. Hi, sweetheart. Your mama's girl. Oh, you're going to clean Shore now? Clean him up? Oh, he says, oh, it's dinner time. Good girl, Duty. Mama's girl. Lexi, you're a good mama. Oh, Mary Jane, you sleeping? You're going to miss out. You and the white and tan are going to be the skinny ones of the bunch because you don't get in there and eat every time. Can you hear the slurping of Shore? Buddy, listen to you. Gonna find just the right one, do ya? Look at you, buddy. Duty bugs. Mama's girl. Lexi, you're an awful good girl. Mama loves you. You know that. You're spoiled rotten. Alrighty. Well, you three are gonna sleep away while the other three eat. Take more video later.